At Ingersoll Rand, we are driven by a purpose to advance the quality of life around the world by creating comfortable, sustainable, and efficient environments. Our people and our family of brands, including Club Car, Ingersoll Rand, Thermo King, and Trane, work together to enhance the quality and comfort of air in homes and buildings, transport and protect food and perishables, and increase industrial productivity and efficiency.
According to the Ministry of Mines and Energy, buildings account for nearly half of the energy consumption in Brazil. Improving performance in existing buildings can generate a 15-to-1 life cycle return on investment, resulting in improved occupant health, energy, and operational savings. When it came time for the Reebok Sports Club in Sao Paulo to upgrade their facility, they chose Trane's digital air-cooled water system. The Trane water flow system reduced water and energy costs, and its modular design minimized space requirements.
What most caught our attention was the performance of the system. We had the opportunity to install this system in a place that already had an old conventional system, which provided a great benchmark for comparison purposes. The customer was able to observe clearly that the new system provided much better performance than the original system, and with a much lower energy consumption.
TWF fit pretty well in retrofit buildings because the size of the system very small. We can fit in almost any kind of space. It's a very efficient system, very reliable, very environment conscious.
Today, golf cars cover a new spectrum of needs and have a much larger impact in our communities by being utilized as low-speed personal transportation vehicles. These vehicles are a model of sustainable transportation, and Club Car is leading the way, being the world's largest manufacturer of zero-emission electric vehicles.
We bought a Club Car as soon as we moved in. We like it being green and that, yes, we are not polluting. It's a zero-emissions vehicle, and that is a big plus.
The state of Georgia has joined a growing list of places allowing personal transportation vehicles meeting certain safety requirements to use local public roads.
We're looked at in the industry as the one that needs to bring the innovation to the marketplace in terms of technology. Communities are able to use our vehicles and not drive cars, and that's a growing trend worldwide and one that we have the opportunity to play a big role in facilitating. As the world consciousness grows around conserving energy and the right solutions, we're in a great position to play a major role in that.
Because of their unique needs, hospitals consume large amounts of energy and face escalating energy costs. Gunderson Health System made sustainability a top priority and developed its Envision program, an initiative aimed at reducing energy usage as well as improving air quality and the health of its community. They called upon Trane to provide solutions to help them meet their energy reduction goals. For Trane, it's not just about the products, but also about having the expertise to bring buildings like the Gunderson Hospital up to modern standards for environmental responsibility.
Back in 2008, Gunderson Lutheran came to us with kind of a special request. They had this goal to become much more energy efficient and were very interested in a concept called retro-commissioning. It was basically going back through all their mechanical equipment, daily operations, and try to find ways that they could use energy more effectively. We started with the no-cost and low-cost fixes, and then ultimately into equipment upgrades for their chillers, towers, etc.
The Trane system also increased capacity to cool a new data center and the upcoming hospital addition.
Setting a target to be the best upper Midwest hospital on efficiency, and Trane systems are very key to that. And once we're into the building, to also help us operate that building at that level. In the first 2 years of our program on conservation, we saved over 20% on our energy consumption, and we continue to work together today to find new ways to save on energy, not only save costs, but help the environment and help health.
Buses are one of the most highly used means of urban public transportation in major cities. In the state of California, the Air Resource Board continues to push for tighter regulations intended to reduce emissions from buses and help maintain a healthy environment. To improve energy efficiency, the Gardena municipal bus lines electrified the HVAC systems in their fleet using a system provided by Thermo King. Thermo King had already applied this technology to electric rail cars and trolley buses.
We operate 53 buses in Gardena and surrounding communities with service into downtown Los Angeles. Our ultimate goal is to maintain as environmentally friendly a fleet as is available in the industry.
All of our vehicles, of course, because we are now hybrid electric, our air conditioning systems are all electric. And that's been a monumental change in our industry. Some of the great advantages we've seen is simply the efficiency of the Thermo King unit that we're running on our vehicles. And we've definitely seen significant fuel savings. As much as 5 to 8% is what we calculate.
We're proud of the accomplishments we've made. We're proud to be establishing that reputation in the industry as being very energy conscious.
Gardena's use of Thermo King's all-electric heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system continues their ongoing commitment to sustainability. In an era of globalization and growing demand for manufactured goods, companies are faced with the challenge to keep up and to also reduce energy costs to remain competitive. Since 1931, Arvind has been India's leading manufacturer of superfine fabrics for their domestic market and is now one of the largest denim manufacturers in the world. A large fraction of their energy bill is from the production of compressed air. When they needed to expand capacity at their Santej facility, they turned to Ingersoll Rand, which has been building compressors and providing compressed air solutions for over 150 years.
From last 15 years, we were using the oil-free screw compressors. When we are expanding in our yarn-tied shirting business, we decided to go with another compressor. So we approached Ingersoll Rand.
What we did is, we actually said, why don't we do a value addition in terms of doing a solutions approach. So our sales guys actually went there, did the study of their entire system. The C1000, which we sold to Arvind, was the first machine across the globe. After Ingersoll Rand globally launched this machine, so this was the first customer. It took us 4 years to develop this machine, which included, manufacturing to testing to validation to prototypes.
By adding 2 compressors with Ingersoll Rand, we were thinking that we will save around 400 to 450 kilowatt hours. But we are very happy to say that after adding these 2 compressors, our saving is 620 kilowatt hours.
They themselves are committed to sustainability. So it's not saving only in terms of money, but it's the savings of energy resources as well.
Arvind is very keen in reduction of the carbon emission, and we are continuously working towards this.
Ingersoll Rand has the right products, services, and solutions to make the world a better place. We are passionate about inspiring progress around the globe and building a better future, a world of sustainable progress and enduring results.